So here we are, still in Wollaston after an NPS, and this is the High Street, and that's the dock shop over there, that white thing. But I'm just going to go in here because there's a tea shop in here. Tea Rooms of Wollaston. Yeah, light lunches, cream teas. So if you're a bit peckish by the time you get to the dock shop, or after you've been to NPS, even if you're not going to the dock shop, oh look at this, this is lovely, isn't it? Family butchers, yeah, the family butchers, look at this, I really like this. Where's the tea shop? Here we go. Tea room is closed at the moment, but let's just film it anyway. So on a nice day, look, you can sit out here, nice and peaceful. There's no traffic. Any traffic would be up there at the High Street, and that would be not many vehicles going past there. So it would be lovely and quiet on a sunny day. And Oberie's Tea Rooms, Wollaston. Yeah, it's very nice in there. I don't think you can see in because of the camera reflection. Oh yes, you can. Yeah, you can see in there. So that's a lovely little tea room, look. Yeah. So if you're a gang of students coming to the dock shop, you can go in there, have a nice sandwich or a cake or something. Fair trade shop now open, High Street. Here's the fair trade shop. The old stonework here. It's a lovely village. Yeah. Lovely countryside round here, lovely little villages. Look at this cottage. And yeah, so come out of there, and here's the dock shop. So you go around here, and look, you can't park in the High Street. Look, it's all double yellows, so don't even think about it. So please use side entrance, it says. Please use side entrance. And there's Doc Martens with bouncing soles. And of course in NPS days it was solid soles. And they've still got the trademark for solid soles. So if you want original Doc Martens style boots or shoes, I think you're going to go to NPS, to be honest. So here's the shop, and the shutters are down because they've closed. I got here just after closing. Let's have a look at opening hours. Opening hours are here. Opening hours. And here, look, 10% off when you spend 100, 15% off when you spend 150, 20% off when you spend 200. So if there's a gang of you, just pretend that there's that one person's doing all the buying. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. And here's the car park. Look, plenty of spaces. It's not just for the dock shop, I don't think. Yeah, it's for residents as well. But anyway, there's plenty of spaces here. So that's it.